It's great to see you. If you're a business owner, a coach, or an affiliate marketer, then I have something quite special for you. Let me introduce you to our Social Media Gold course. If you want to dominate your competition, this is the course for you. This course is all about teaching you how to build traffic for your website using YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. I mean, who doesn't want their brands noticed online, right? But it's not always easy, and that's where we come in. Imagine this, your website or video popping up on the first, second, third, or even fourth position on YouTube and Google search results. Sounds amazing, right? Well, that's exactly what our course is designed to help you achieve. Our Social Media Gold course is packed with actionable tips, proven strategies, and insider secrets to help you unlock the true potential of social media for your business. It's like having a golden key to the world of unlimited online traffic. Whether you're a seasoned marketer struggling to keep up with the ever-changing social media landscape or a newbie looking to make a mark, this course is just what you need. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds great, but how much is it going to cost me? Well, how about nothing? Yes, you heard it right. You can opt into 24-hour ranking system on YouTube. Just click the link below to get started with your journey to social media success. Remember, the internet waits for no one. So, don't miss this golden opportunity to take your business to new heights. Opt in for our free 24-hour ranking system today, and let's start building your online empire. See you on the other side. Go to www.socialmediagoldcourse.com.